What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Well, today we have a different thing. Actually this chair is from Hbada and I have bought this one for myself. I have bought 4 different ergonomic chairs within the last 30 days. If you are subscribed to this channel, if you have watched my other videos, then you may have already noticed that I have changed a lot of different chairs in this studio because I haven't been feeling so comfortable on those chairs. And after using 4 different chairs, including 2 ergonomic chairs and 2 gaming chairs, finally I think I have got the one that offers me the utmost comfort. You know, being a YouTuber, it's very difficult. I need to sit for a long time, sometimes for 5 or 6 hours in a row, sometimes 7 or 8 hours in a row, and that's really crazy. Sometimes I lean forward, sometimes I lean backward, sometimes I try to dash on the left side to make it less painful, or sometimes on the right side, because you know, if the chair doesn't come with a very good lumbar support, definitely it's gonna hurt. It's gonna be a painful session. Moreover, when I'm recording, I cannot turn on my air conditioner because sometimes air conditioner makes a bit of a sound which hurts the sound quality. So the cushion, the seat sometimes gets a bit heated, or in winter it gets a bit cold. And yeah, with only one ergonomic chair from Hbada, I have resolved all of these issues. This is the Hbada Ergonomic Chair E3 Pro. I have gone for the modern grey because it matches to my desk setup. Moreover, it not only has an attractive outlook and appearance, it offers the best comfort. I may have been repeating the word comfort because it truly offers comfy feelings. Okay, we'll talk about all the features including the lumbar zone support and every other ergonomic aspect of the chair. But before that, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. At the beginning, there is a disclosure, as I bought this one for my personal use and as I bought a lot of different chairs at the same time, I didn't record the unboxing or setup video, but I can guarantee you it takes only 10 to 15 minutes to assemble or set up this chair. It's really a very easy process. All the tools and everything are available inside the box. So yeah, after you get the package, you'll be ready to enjoy the chair within 30 minutes. The first thing I like about this Hbada E3 Pro is the T-shaped linkage support system. It solves the problem of 3 pains caused by sitting for a long period of time. The T-shaped support system includes the waist, then the neck and the shoulders. There is this 3-zone floating wing lumbar support which actually helps a lot. That's really a unique thing to have on an ergonomic chair. I have used the word unique because no other ergonomic chairs offers this type of adjustment. There are many different points where we can adjust the lumbar support. We can tilt it upward, we can tilt it downward, we can bring it forward, we can push it backward, and on both the sides, left and right, yeah, those semi wraparound lumbar supports helps a lot. It not only helps to get comfort, it also helps to create a healthy posture. Without talking much, let me show you something. Look at this. This is the T-shaped support structure which can be tilted upward and tilted downward based on height and other requirements. Like the lumbar curve of different people of different height is different, so definitely people have different type of requirements, and most of the other ergonomic chairs don't offer this. The 3-zone floating wing lumbar support is adjustable for up to 2.5 centimeters from front to back and 7.5 centimeters from top to bottom. No matter what's your height is, whether you are 170 centimeter like me or 190 centimeter pretty tall or maybe 150 centimeter, it doesn't matter. You will be able to adjust the 3-zone floating wing as per your requirement. And when I tilt backward or forward, there is a 14-degree adaptive tilt. We don't have to adjust it. It automatically gets adjusted to the tilting. It's really something that I cannot express. You have to try it by yourself. The side wings supporting the lumbar support on both sides can also be rotated and can be adjusted outward or inward based on the size of the waist and comfort level. It has a 40-degree wide angle rotation inward and outward. Truly, this is the first thing that has made me fall in love with this ergonomic chair, because compared to other ergonomic chairs, this part of the lumbar always stays wide open. There is no support. And thanks to the R&D of Hbada, that they have came up with such an innovative and healthy design. The second thing I like about this E3 Pro ergonomic chair is its 4D double axis neck pillow. Here it is. Let me show you. It is adjustable up to 6 centimeters, either upward or downward. It supports a 45-degree tilt, and we can even move it forward or backward up to 5 centimeters. Yeah, truly, I have tried many other ergonomic chairs, and most of the ergonomic chairs only offers a bit of a tilt or maybe adjustable that we can put it upward or downward. But truly, 4D double axis adjustments? No, I haven't seen any yet. This is the first, and I believe this is the best at this moment. And as this E3 Pro ergonomic chair comes with a leg rest, sometimes I take rest on this chair. I take a short nap, and when I'm resting or taking a nap on this chair, I have noticed that the neck pillow offers a very good support to the neck. It also helps to relax and generate energy much faster than any other ergonomic chairs. Talking about the leg rest, yeah, it's very easy to pull out, and yeah, there is a very good curvature which even helps the leg muscle to get relaxed faster. So I get a soothing relaxation feelings, and yeah, it is pretty intriguing. Sometimes I just pause whatever I am doing and take a little rest because it recharges my energy and improves my work efficiency. The third thing that is so nice about this Hbada E3 Pro ergonomic chair is its 6D mechanical armrest. Yeah, I don't play with this mechanical armrest, but if you want, there are a lot of options to support your posture. We can lift it up to 80 millimeter, we can move it forward or push it backward. The range is 30 millimeter. That's really a long range, which helps me a lot because when I'm sitting here in front of my shooting table, I need to push it backward because the table is a bit wide, and when I go back to my working desk, I need to push it forward because the desk is a bit less wide, and that helps a lot. We can even fold it upward up to 38 degree, and we can rotate it inward or outward, I mean left or right, and the distance it covers is up to 70 degree. So if you're a mobile gamer or if you want to do something where you need support to your arm, then this 60 mechanical armrest is the perfect thing for you. Moreover, as I just have mentioned that I take rest and I take short naps on this chair, I have also done the same on my other chairs. But as the armrests of most of the ergonomic chairs are locked on a single place, those doesn't move along with the tilt. But the armrest of the Hbada E3 Pro has a link to the main body, so when I tilt backward, the armrests also get a bit of a tilt, and that helps a lot. Truly, me and the HTD squad in this studio, we all are in love with this ergonomic chair. It's not like there are only 3 features that we love. There are a lot of features. If I start talking about all the features, this video will get a bit lengthy. Let me quickly share some of the other features. Hbada E3 Pro ergonomic chair has an adaptive gravity sensing chassis. It easily tilts back up to 140 degree, and the angle can even be locked. So there is no unwanted movement. The reclining force is actually the same for different type of people. It doesn't matter whether it's used by a male or a female or by someone young or whatever the age is. The reclining force is always the same. It doesn't depend on weight. That's really a great thing. The other thing is, I have already mentioned at the beginning that most of the other ergonomic chairs cushions sometimes gets sweaty, gets heated, gets cold, depending on the weather and ambient environment. But as this E3 Pro comes with breathable mesh fabric, there are a lot of airflow going through. So it never gets sweaty, never gets heated, never gets cold. It really is very different than other ergonomic chairs, and it never generates any fatigue. You know what, the seat itself is movable. We can push it forward up to 5 centimeters or backward up to 5 centimeters. That's really a wide distance, and considering our workplace or our desk, we can move it smoothly. After I have bought this Hbada E3 Pro ergonomic chair, I tried it by myself for a few days, and I was overwhelmed by the performance. So I have checked their website, and yeah, they have got SGS certification. The cylinder has passed for 120,000 rotation, and it has even passed 100,000 impact test. Wow, those really are big numbers. And as I love this chair, if I want to sit on my another desk, I mean my girlfriend's desk, the other part of this studio, I just bring it there. And I have noticed that the wheels are very good quality ones. They rotate smoothly, and the wheels are totally mute, don't make any type of sound. Cause these are PU plus PA wrapped rollers, it is also pretty much wear resistant. Okay, that's all about this Hbada E3 Pro. The chair that has increased my work efficiency, decreased all of my uncomforts, and vanished any other issues that I had regarding my sitting chair, my desk chair. I have left the link of the Hbada E3 Pro ergonomic chair in the description box. Go ahead, check the product, but before that, if you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.